In this video, I will show you how you can set up your entire affiliate marketing business in less than 10 minutes using a secret AI software that is specially designed for affiliate marketing. And the best part is you only need to copy and paste. You do not need to spend time in finding specific prompts using this software. In just 2 clicks, you will have your business ready to go from 15 plus product that will going to make you commission every single month on autopilot to pre-built funnels, emails, lead magnet. You will get everything with this software. Let me show you complete process step by step, but before that I will give you an overview so that you know how everything works. So let's get started. So this is the secret software funnelfreedom.io that I was talking about, created by Jonathan Montoya, who already made millions of dollars with affiliate marketing and helped more than thousands of people to build their successful affiliate marketing business. Now this tool will going to do more than 80% of your work. So even if you are a beginner, you have no technical skills, you are doing it first time, using this tool to build your affiliate marketing business will going to save you a lot of time, and it will make your work a lot easier. Or if you already have a affiliate marketing business, you're already making money with affiliate marketing business, then adding this software, this complete system in your business will going to increase your income. So they will also give you a 30-day trial to try everything. I will put this special link to get the 30-day trial in the description box, so that in 30 days you can check out everything, and if you find this system suitable for you, you can continue using it. You can check out the description box to get the 30-day trial. So I just took the 30-day trial of the software, and I did not set up anything right now because I wanted to show you everything, and I will do everything in front of you. Will show you how in just 2 clicks everything will be ready. You don't even need to copy and paste. There are already funnel in the software. There will already email added in the software, and your free course also that you will going to give as a lead magnet to your audience. So this is the membership area. Once you take the 30-day trial, this kind of membership area you will able to see. Now you don't need to add funnels here. You can see I click on the sites and funnel is already built, already added in your account. And I will also show you the emails, free course that all will also be there. Only need to do is right now this is not your customized setting. You only need to just copy and paste one link that I will show you, so that everywhere in the funnels, in the emails, and in the lead magnet, everywhere you need to customize it with your name, with your name and with your links. So all you need to do is follow this checklist. They will give you a complete checklist that you need to follow. Also there will be like proper training videos that you need to just close your eyes and follow those videos to set up everything. You do not need to worry about what I will do after setting up in the software. So once you have created your account, okay, you have created your account, you need to go to the step 3. You just need to follow this, and this you only need to do this once. You do not need to do it more than one time anything. You just need to do it once, and everything will be set it up for you. So now we are going to customize. I'm going to customize everything with my personal settings, with my name and everything. So first, I need to go to sites, funnel. So I'll go to sites and funnels. Then I need to go to first. So if you are not able to understand with the like these like with these text, you can also follow in the picture form. There will be picture form also. So first I need to go to funnels, then I need to click on the F2 not delete, click on this. Now I need to copy this link. You can see in the picture here. I'm going to copy this link. So I will click on this. So this is the personal settings that you can see my name is here that I need to add. in my account. I'm going to copy this and I just need to paste this link. And for that, I will follow step 4. So I will go to the settings first, settings, then custom values. Then I need to click on the first one as you can see here, and I will click on the edit custom value. So this is the link where I need to put my link and click on the update. Now everything will be customized with the my name and my settings. I will show you where I can see everything. So I need to click on the funnel freedom. So when I click on the funnel freedom, you can see all it's here my some of the settings have I have added, some of the I need to add. So like this is the white label course. So first link I have told you, now I need to follow this step 5. What I'm going to do now is, you can see white label course, I need to send people to the my course, like the free course I am giving to people. I will add the link here so that people, so that they will tag with the my affiliate link. So for that, what I need to do is, first I need to go settings, again go to the settings, and I have told you before, this is a one time thing that you need to do. Then I click on the freedom extension. So this is the member area module 1 that I will add. So I'm going to copy this link and I need to paste it. I will go back again to the funnel freedom and I will add this link. Then you need to add your name, full name, just add your Facebook link, YouTube channel, Instagram link, TikTok, and your photo here, and click on the update. I'll tell you about affiliate links later. First, I will show you the profiles. So this is a free course. You can see I have not done anything. I have not need to touch anything. This course is completely done. This is the free course. This is the funnel opt-in page. I'll show you. You can see this will be the free course. You can see my name is here. Or when I add the picture, when I add the picture also there, my picture will show it here. So when people will going to add their name and email address, I will able to see in the funnel freedom. So we have completed this. These are the two links that you just need to copy and paste. And in the emails everywhere, your names will be shown. Now only thing you need to do is then click on the affiliate links. Then these are the 15 plus product that you will going to promote, and you do not need to promote all these by yourself. There will be a email sequence for whole 1 year that I will show you also. For whole 1 year, in the emails they will be promoting these 15 softwares. When any person will going to buy any of these product, you will going to make commission. All you need to do is, you need to just, you can see here, here is the link to sign up for all the affiliate programs. You can see they providing you everything. You do not need to go to Google or anywhere to search anything. So these are the 15 plus product. All the links are here. You just need to go there and create, apply for the affiliate programs, and mostly affiliate programs are free to join. You do not even need to pay for any of these, and they will be promoting these 15 products on your behalf. And the best part is, I tell you about these 15 products is, it's not like just they all the these are the best product in the market. I have personally bought all these products and I have personally liked. Best part is they have a mixture of all of the products. Like they have a low ticket product, they have a recurring product like software, like system.io, get response. These are the recurring products. That means if someone going to buy this month, like funnel freedom also, like if someone going to buy this month and next month that person will going to sign up, then you will get the commission of that product also. And there are high ticket products like book, legendary marketer, freedom breakthrough. These are high ticket products that will pay you commission more than $500, $750, something around 60,000 rupees on one single sale. So these are the best products that you can start your affiliate marketing business with. So I have told you about the products also, and All you need to do is send traffic to the free course opt-in page, so that you will this you need to send traffic to the this page. This will be your funnel, and let the system does all the things for you. So I have showed you the funnel, I have showed you the free course. Now I will show you the email sequence that you will get for the whole 1 year. Let me show you that also. So for that, click on the automation. You can see these are the workflows for the white label course for the email sequence. So these are 80-day nurture, 60-day nurture. You can see this is the whole email sequence for the whole 1 year, that all of the people will going to join 72-hour challenge, or even the people will they not if everyone who sign up for the 72-hour challenge or for the free course, they will going to get emails for the whole 1 year. So that because people don't buy the product in just one go, we need to follow up with them 11 12 times. We need to follow up with them many times, 15 16 times. Sometimes paid time is like not right for them, so we will educate them, we will send them through email sequence, we will answer their question, and we will build trust with them. So that we'll share our story with them in the email. So the different kinds of emails different kind of emails they will receive, like we will nurture them with our story, we will give value to them so that they will able to trust us. And then when the time will be right, they will going to buy the product, and you will make the commission. Now I will show you how everything works. So what I will do, I will sign up for the free course, and I'll click on the get instant access. Now there will be a short video that they were there, so they will be promoting the 72-hour challenge. That will be our main core product that we are promoting. So this is the 72-hour challenge. It's a low ticket product, only $9. That will be a promote. This is our front end product that will be promoting to the people. So this is for the people who want to start their affiliate marketing business, basically online business. For the first time, they want to quit their job, and that this 72-hour challenge will help them to start their affiliate marketing business in just 72 hours. So when they any person will going to buy this product, I'll make commission. I'll make 40% commission, and rest of the products will be promoting in the emails. So I will show you now the contact in the my I can see my email here. So from today, every day I will receive an email with the email sequence that I have showed you just right now. So you will be able to see all the contacts here. So you have seen how easy it was to build entire affiliate marketing business using the software Funnel Freedom in less than 10 minutes. By just copying and paste, I have built the funnels. I have set it up the funnels, free course, valuable free course, email sequence for the whole year. Let's say if I'm a beginner, I don't know anything, it will take me like more than 2 3 months to just figure out all of these things. 15 plus product, best product in the market, and with this software in just less than 10 minutes I have set it up everything. Now I am ready to go with my business. All I have to work on the traffic part, which is the most important part for this business. I do not need to spend time on creating funnels and do all of these things. I can just focus on the main part in sending traffic to the funnels, because the more traffic I will send to the funnel, the more money I will make. Faster, quicker I will make money. So if you want to learn how you can start driving traffic, how you can start driving traffic leads to the system, so that system will do heavy lifting for you, which system will do all the work for you, then I have shared complete step by step strategy how you can derive unlimited traffic to your affiliate products. You can click here and watch this video.